Welcome back to Remarkable tutorial. In today's video, I will walk you through the Fusion 360 interface step by step. If you are new to Fusion 360, this will help you to understand where everything is and how to start design confidently. Once you open Fusion 360, this is the main work interface. Don't worry if this looks complex. I will break everything down into simple parts. There are 9 components of the interface that you will need to understand about Fusion 360 interface. The first is the data panel, the application bar, workspace switcher, toolbar, browser panel, workspace, navigation bar, timeline, and view cube. Understanding where these components are will help you to navigate around your Fusion 360. The first is the data panel, located on the left side of your screen. The data panel helps you to store all projects and files. It also helps you to organize designs into folders. Lastly, the data panel helps you to synchronize automatically with the cloud. This works like Google Drive for your designs. Everything is stored online so you can access it anywhere. The second is the application bar. This is the control center for the general actions. It has tools like File menu, where you create new designs, open existing file, and export. It also has the Save icon, where you save your work to the cloud automatically. It has the Undo and Redo icon to reverse or reapply your actions. And it also has the Data panel toggle, which helps you to open or close your project files. You can think of this as your project control area. Everything related to saving and managing your files happens here. The third is the workspace switcher, located at the top left. The workspace switcher helps you to navigate through the different workspace in Fusion 360. We have workspaces for design, for render, for simulation, and for manufacture. Design is where you do your 3D modeling. Render is where you create realistic images. Simulation helps you to test the strength and behavior of your design. And manufacture helps you to prepare your design for CAM and CSC operations. Each workspace is like a different mode for a specific task. As a beginner, you will spend most of your time in the design workspace. The fourth is the toolbar. This is the most important part of the interface. You will use it constantly. The toolbar has different sections that helps you to create, to modify, to assemble, to construct, and to inspect. The toolbar contains the tool that actually helps you to build your design. If you want to create or change anything, you will need to come here. The fifth component is the browser panel, also located on the left-hand side of your screen, just below the data panel. It contains different sections like the components, the bodies, sketch, construction, geometry. The browser panel shows you the anatomy of your design. If something exists in your model, you will find it here. The sixth component is your workspace area, also known as your canvas. This is the large central area of your screen. This helps you to create and edit your design, to view 2D sketches and 3D models, interact with your design using the mouse. This is the drawing board. Everything you create happens here. The seventh component is your navigation bar. The navigation bar is located at the bottom of the canvas. It contains tools such as the zoom, the pan, the orbit, the display setting. This navigation bar tools helps you to control how you look at your design. You can rotate, you can orbit, you can pan your design at the navigation bar. The eighth component is the timeline. The timeline is located at the bottom of your screen. The timeline helps you to record every action. When you sketch, when you extrude, every action is recorded on the timeline. The timeline also can help you to allow, the timeline can also help you to edit your previous steps. It enables parametric modeling. So in case you make mistake in your design and you realize it at the end of the design, with the help of the timeline, you can go back to that stage of the design and make the necessary edits. This is like the history of your design. You can go back and change anything. even after many steps using the timeline. Then lastly, the number 9 component is your view cube or your navigation tool. It's at the top right corner of the canvas. The navigation tool helps you to design from different angles instantly. With the navigation tool, you can switch the view of your design from top to front to right to isometric. With all this information, now you understand Fusion 360 interface. In the next video, I will show you how to create your first sketch and 3D model. If you enjoyed this video, remember to like, remember to share with your friends and colleagues, and also subscribe. Thank you and see you in the next video.